It's Vanessa with McMath Library, part of the Central Arkansas Library System. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my comfort foods, pita pretzels. So, disclaimer, during the quarantine, it has come to my attention that I have highly overestimated my cooking abilities. I discovered that I can, in fact, burn water. So, I am in no capacity to teach you how to make anything that has more than 5 ingredients. I like to pretend that pita pretzels are healthy for me because whole wheat pita is good for you, right? But the buck pretty much stops there as far as the health factor is concerned. P.S. There are exactly 5 ingredients in this snack. You will need 2 5-inch pita breads, 2 tablespoons softened butter or margarine, 2 teaspoons grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon garlic spread concentrate, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. You'll also need a cooking sheet that's covered in aluminum foil. Preheat your oven to 350. Mash up your butter, Parmesan, garlic spread, and oregano. Cut the pitas at the seam, the line where the sides attach. Spread your mixture on the rough side of the pita. Cut the bread into 1-inch strips. Throw your strips on the cooking sheet and bake for 7 to 9 minutes. If you like them softer, aim for the 7-minute mark. If you want them crispier, leave them in longer. That's all it takes. Hope you have fun making these.